Welcome to Choice Champions. The best Sensodyne Whitening is probably one of the most sought-after solutions for those seeking a brighter smile without compromising on tooth sensitivity, offering a unique blend of gentle whitening agents and the trusted sensitivity relief that Sensodyne is known for, making it a compelling choice for anyone looking to address both concerns effectively in their daily oral care routine. Number 5. Sensodyne Repair and Protect Whitening Toothpaste. Experience advanced care for your teeth. This toothpaste actively repairs and protects your enamel, giving you a stronger, healthier smile. Beyond protection, it also gently whitens your teeth. Reveal a brighter smile without compromising on sensitivity. If you suffer from sensitive teeth, this is designed for you. It provides lasting relief from discomfort, allowing you to enjoy your favorite foods and drinks. Protect your teeth from decay with its powerful cavity prevention formula. It strengthens your enamel, keeping cavities at bay. This comprehensive solution offers daily repair, whitening, and protection. Get a healthier, brighter smile with every brush. What we like. This one offers advanced repair and protection for sensitive teeth. It actively helps to rebuild weakened enamel while also providing a gentle whitening effect. If you experience sensitivity and want to strengthen your teeth against cavities while achieving a brighter smile, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. Sensodyne Extra Whitening Sensitive Teeth Whitening Toothpaste. Introducing a toothpaste designed for your sensitive teeth. It helps you achieve a brighter smile while providing essential care. Do you experience discomfort from hot or cold foods? This product is specifically formulated to relieve that sensitivity, giving you comfort. Beyond sensitivity relief, it also works to gently whiten your teeth. You can enjoy a visibly brighter smile with regular use. Why choose between sensitivity relief and whitening when you can have both? This toothpaste offers a powerful dual-action solution for your daily oral care. Each purchase includes a convenient pack of 3 4-ounce tubes. This ensures you have a good supply for continuous care and lasting results. What we like. This option is specifically formulated for those prioritizing a brighter smile. It delivers extra whitening power without compromising on sensitivity relief. If you're looking for significant stain removal and a noticeably whiter smile, even with sensitive teeth, this one is designed for you. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points can be extracted as per the "do not fabricate" rule. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to extract points. Number 3. Sensodyne Repair and Protect Whitening Toothpaste. Introducing a revolutionary toothpaste designed to care for your teeth. It's from a trusted brand known for sensitive oral care solutions. This unique formula actively repairs vulnerable areas of your teeth. It helps to rebuild and strengthen enamel, providing lasting relief. Beyond repair, it offers daily protection against sensitivity. You can enjoy your favorite foods and drinks without discomfort. Not only does it protect, but it also gently whitens your teeth. Achieve a brighter smile while maintaining optimal oral health. If you suffer from tooth sensitivity, this is the solution you've been looking for. It's specifically formulated to soothe and protect sensitive areas. Furthermore, it provides effective cavity prevention. This toothpaste helps keep your teeth strong and healthy, fighting against decay. Experience complete oral care with this powerful toothpaste. It's available in a convenient pack, ensuring you always have it on hand. What we like. Similar to our first pick, this one also focuses on repairing and protecting sensitive areas. It gently whitens while preventing cavities, offering comprehensive oral care. If you love the benefits of repair, protection, and whitening and want to stock up for long-term use, this larger pack is perfect. What people say. Number 2. Sensodyne Sensitivity and Gum Clean and Fresh. Introducing a revolutionary toothpaste designed for comprehensive oral care. It tackles 2 common issues simultaneously, providing relief and protection. Do you suffer from sensitive teeth? This product is specifically formulated to treat the discomfort of sensitivity, allowing you to enjoy your favorite foods and drinks again. Beyond sensitivity, it also targets gingivitis. This toothpaste helps improve gum health, reducing bleeding and inflammation for a healthier mouth. Experience a lasting clean and fresh sensation after every brush. It leaves your mouth feeling invigorated and confident throughout the day. This powerful formula offers a complete solution for both sensitive teeth and gum problems. Make it a part of your daily routine for a healthier, happier smile. What we like. This particular variant addresses both sensitivity and gum health concerns. It's formulated to treat gingivitis while providing a clean and fresh feeling. If you suffer from both sensitive teeth and bleeding gums, or are looking to improve your overall gum health, this is your go-to. What people say. Number 1. Sensodyne Clinical White Toothpaste. Discover a new level of oral care with this advanced toothpaste. It's designed to give you a brighter smile while addressing common concerns. Experience a visibly whiter smile. This formula is clinically proven to effectively whiten your teeth, giving you confidence. Don't let sensitivity hold you back. It's specially formulated to be gentle, providing relief for sensitive teeth while it works. Keep your smile looking its best. This toothpaste also acts as a stain protector, helping to prevent future discoloration. Achieve both a whiter and more comfortable smile with regular use. It's your daily solution for comprehensive oral health. What we like. Our final product offers clinically proven whitening results for sensitive teeth. It not only whitens but also provides a protective barrier against future stains. If you're seeking professional-level whitening with long-lasting stain protection, and still need sensitivity relief, this is the premium choice. What people say. No reviews found in the source to extract points from. The provided source JSON was empty, so no positive points could be selected. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.